No.
Which car you want to use?
Purple.
Purple one. So let's use the purple one. So the rule is the same. If you can read yourself, we move 2 boxes. If teacher help, we move 1 boxes. Okay? So the first. What is this? Okay. So let's read the first word. Can you read this word for me?
This is link.
Good job. This is link. Kita move 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, another word. Can you read this sentence for me?
And that is me.
Good job. And that is me. We move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this word for me?
Look, link.
Look, link. Good job. We move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. So next, we're going to read this word.
I can see a bell singing.
Good job. I can see a bell singing. We move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, good job. So fast. Okay, so next, can you read this word for me?
Can you ring the bell ring?
Good job. Can you ring the bell ring? We move another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, good job. You got the finish line.